Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Hope you all are well. You all are aware that Government of India has banned 59 China links apps, including some popular apps like TikTok, Likey, Zendar and UCBuzzer. So, before we start, we will see the list of the banned apps. The ban has been enforced under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act 2000. The Ministry of Information and Technology has said that it has received many complaints from various sources regarding stealing and transmitting the user's data to another server which are located outside the India. And for this, the Ministry of Information and Technology of India has said that for safety, security, defense, sovereignty and integrity of India and to protect data and privacy of people of India, the government has banned 59 mobile apps. You can see the tweets of the Information and Technology Minister of India. This was the legal basis for India's action. But according to BBC News, experts described the ban as a political move. Recently, the fighting occurred in the Himalayan region of Ladakh, where both countries have increased deployment close to the disputed border, which caused to boycott Chinese goods, and the government issued directives to cancel or limit Chinese contracts with public sector companies. Government of India has already sent the notice to the app stores like Google Play Stores and Apple's App Store to remove the apps for India. So they will block the new downloads at first. Later they will create effect for the old users. Now internet service providers like Jio, Airtel, Vodafone, Idea will send a notification to the user informing the notice and will block the access to the app, which is now happening, and the users have already seen the notification about the same. Thus, the use of the apps will be blocked. It is obvious that the users of the banned apps like TikTok, which offers users to earn money, and they will feel bad for this and will have to look for substitute. Also, many apps have offices and employees in India. They will lose their jobs. But the Minister of Information and Technology of India has said that the ban on Chinese apps is a great opportunity for Made in India apps. Obviously, it is a good opportunity for Indian app developers to create Atmanirbhar Bharat. This also helps to protect the user privacy and data within the country. Thus, it helps to provide more security to the users. According to India Today, China reacts to India banning 59 Chinese apps. Foreign Ministry says strongly concerned. Also, China has said that the banning of the Chinese apps violates the WTO rules, which is a trade and e-commerce rule. Also, in the other hand, the government of China has banned popular social medias like Facebook, YouTube, and WhatsApp inside the China, and they are using the alternative versions of these social medias. Here are the alternative Chinese versions of the popular social media apps. Chinese alternative of Facebook. WeChat, it is the Chinese alternative of WhatsApp, and Youku, the Chinese alternative of YouTube. Nowadays, PUBG becomes the popular battle royale game all over the world. PUBG for PC is developed by a South Korean company named a Blue Hole Company, and they wanted to release the mobile version of it, and they contacted to a multinational Chinese company named Tencent Games and released the final version of it named PUBG Mobile. So the mobile version of it is a completely Chinese game. Now the popular game Call of Duty for PC is developed by an American company named Activision, and when they wanted to release the mobile version of it, they contacted with a Chinese game company named Timi, which is also a part of Tencent Games. So the Call of Duty for mobile is also a Chinese game. Now the Free Fire Battleground of Garena is developed by 111 Studio, which is a developer of Singapore, but there is a connection of it with China. Forrest Li, who is founder and CEO of Garena, he born and brought up in China, but nowadays he is a popular businessman of Singapore and settled there. But till now it is unknown that whether he has connection with China or not. Here are the top 3 Chinese apps and game developers. First, Tencent, which develops various apps and games like PUBG and QQ apps. Second is Baidu, which develops various apps like DU apps. Number 3, the most popular apps developer named ByteDance, which is a parent company of TikTok, Hello, and Resso. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also like, share and comment.